hello and welcome to the Red Rose Academy. We'll see this problem in detail. Actually, this is an important problem for class 12 physics, and then nowadays term 1 is going to be held, okay, CBSE term 1 exam. It's a very important question. Let us see how we can solve. What is the question? 2 point charges plus 8q and minus 8q are located at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. Say for example, if you draw like this, it is an x-axis, right? The location of a point on the x-axis, okay? Let P be any point on the x-axis, and they are given 2 point charges plus 8q and minus 8q. At x is equal to 0, it is plus 8q. And some x is equal to L, it will be minus 2q, right? So, these are all the two charges which is placed, and then at which the net electric field due to these 2 point charges is 0. So, that is also given, and then we are asked to find the location where the point is to be located. We don't know about this location, right? Let this be x, okay? Let this be x, okay, and the distance between these two will be L. Now we are going to find the x, okay, the distance or the point where it is located, so that the electric field about the two charges should be equal to 0. That is also given. What is E1? Let E1 be the electric field due to the point charge 8q, okay. E1 be the electric field due to the point charge 8q, and then it is on point P. With respect to P, we are now going to find the electric field. So, the electric field of a positive charge, okay, it is outwards. We know that the electric field lines flows from plus to minus like this, right? Positive to negative. The electric field lines goes on like that. So, it will be outwards. And then due to the minus 2q towards the point P, it will be inwards. Okay. So, this minus 2q will be plus 2q if its direction is inwards towards the point P. Now, what is E1? What is the electric field? Electric field is, in general, we can explain the electric field as Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. What is an electric field? Electric field is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Okay. What is this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but it is K. It is the proportionality constant, which is K. K is nothing but 9 into 10 power 9 something. Okay. So now it is represented as a constant K and then Q by R. Okay. What is E1? E1 is the electric field due to a plus 8q charge, okay, on a point P. So, what is this? Plus 8q. Instead of K, it is plus 8q into K by R. What is R here? R is x, right? So, R is x. So, K into 8q by x. So, this is the E1. What is E2 now? E2 be K and minus 2q is the magnitude, but its direction is towards the point P. So, here also K into 2q by, what is the distance? L plus x, okay, whole square, okay. So, this is the equation. Here it is given the net electric field is 0, okay. So, what is the net electric field? E is equal to 0, it is given, okay. What is the net electric field? We can write the net electric field as E1 minus E2, that is equal to 0, okay. What is E1 now? K into 8q by x square minus K into 2q by L plus x the whole square. That is equal to 0, right? So, here we can bring, what is this? K gets cancelled, and then Q gets cancelled, then 8 and 2 gets cancelled, they will be having 4. 4 by x square minus 1 by L plus x the whole square. That is equal to 0. Okay. So here we can bring 4 by x square here and then 1 by L plus x to the other side. X the whole square to the other side. Then what happens? Here it will be squaring on both sides. I mean taking square root on both sides. Our purpose is to find the value of x. So taking square root on both sides. Then what it will be? Now here it will be 2 by x, that is equal to 1 by L plus x, right? If you took square root, then cross multiply this, then you will be having 2 into L plus x is equal to x. Then 2L plus 2x is equal to x. Okay? Then if you bring 2L here, otherwise here, then 2x. So x is equal to 2L. So what is the distance now? X is equal to 2L. The answer is 2L. Okay?